Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notifications from YouTube on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on notifications. In here, tap on the more button. And then you should be able to see YouTube in here. If not, you can tap on this drop down and tap on the all button, and that will show all the apps available on your phone. In here, you tap on the YouTube on the left hand side panel. Now at the top here, you can tap on show notifications to turn off all notifications coming from YouTube. If you want to customize and then turn off different items, then you can go down here and turn off say subscriptions. So you don't want to get notifications about subscriptions, you can switch it off. Now on the left hand side panel here, you can tap on it, and then once you go in here, you can change the sound for each of the different notifications coming from YouTube. You can also set whether to show them as pop-up or not, and other settings in here. So you got subscriptions for YouTube, you got live streams, comments and replies, recommended videos, product updates, lock screen media controls, download notifications, and general notifications. Down here in the last section is the app icon badges, so you can turn them on or off as well. And then you got other in-app notification settings that you can set. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.